This is a guide on replacing the front assembly on the Apple iPhone 12 mini. For the installation process, we'll need the following tools: a heat gun, a plastic pick, a small tri-wing screwdriver, and a small Phillips screwdriver. The front assembly consists of the frame, the glass digitizer, and the LCD screen. You will need to replace the entire front assembly if any of these components are broken. Turn the phone off by holding the power button and confirm the shutdown on screen. Remove 2 pentalobe screws at the bottom of the phone. Use a heat gun to warm up the adhesive around the perimeter of the iPhone. Place a suction cup near the bottom edge, and while providing some tension, insert a plastic pick between the display assembly and the main body. Gently move the plastic pick around the perimeter, separating the display assembly from the main body. Please note, there are cables located near the left edge of the phone, and there are hooks at the top edge holding the display assembly. Keeping that in mind, unlatch the top edge and open the phone to the left side. Now we have access to the connector shields. Using a tri-wing screwdriver, carefully remove one screw securing one shield. Remove the shield. Using a plastic pick, open the battery connector and bend the lead away. Next, remove 5 tri-wing screws securing the larger connector shield. Remove the shield. Pick open the touch digitizer and the LCD connector, then the front speaker and sensor connector. Separate the screen assembly from the main body. The replacement display assembly does not contain the front speaker and sensors. We will be transferring them from the original display. Remove 2 tri-wing screws at the top, then 2 more Phillips screws on the bottom. Unfold the speaker, and using a plastic pick, carefully pick out the sensors from its placement and separate the entire garland from the display. We will be replacing the waterproofing adhesive, so all of the original adhesive needs to be removed from the edge of the phone. Use tweezers to pick out the adhesive from the edge. The waterproofing adhesive comes on convenient plastic sheets cut to the shape of the edge of the phone. Remove the backing plastic of the adhesive shape. Apply the shape to the perimeter of the phone, and using a plastic pick, press the adhesive into place. Carefully begin removing the adhesive, making sure that it stays on the perimeter of the phone. Take out the new assembly and place the sensors in their appropriate locations. Fold over the speaker and replace 2 Phillips screws, then 2 more tri-wing screws. Put the new display assembly to the left edge of the phone and reconnect the front speaker and sensors connector. Then the touch digitizer and the LCD connector. Carefully reconnect the battery connector. Caution: it is very important not to force any of the connectors. All connectors are very fragile. Replace the large connector shield and secure it with 5 tri-wing screws. Replace the other connector shield and secure it with 1 tri-wing screw. To properly close the display, keep the position of the top edge latches in mind and start by latching the top edge. Then firmly press around the perimeter of the phone, snapping the display assembly in place. Replace 2 pentalobe screws near the lightning connector, and we're done.